In biblical times, a yoke was a wooden frame used to harness two animals, such as oxen, together to pull a heavy load. This yoke allowed the animals to share their weight and work together in harmony. Similarly, being yoked together refers to the act of joining ourselves with others, partnering together, and sharing the burdens and responsibilities of life. Being yoked together emphasizes the importance of unity in our relationships. Just as two oxen are yoked together to pull a load, we are called to come alongside one another and support each other in our journey of faith. As the Apostle Paul reminds us in 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 26, every part of the system rejoices when one part is honored, and suffers when one part suffers. We are designed to be in a community, supporting and encouraging one another through life's challenges. When we are yoked together, we understand that we don't have to face life's challenges alone. The load becomes lighter when we share it with others. Galatians chapter 6 verse 2 says to fulfill the law of Christ we must carry each other's burdens. When we come alongside one another, we can provide comfort, guidance, and support in times of need. Being yoked together also highlights the strength and power that comes from diversity. Just as two different animals work together to accomplish a task, we, too, can draw strength from our differences. Each of us has unique gifts, talents, and perspectives that, when combined, create a strong and vibrant community. It is through embracing diversity that we can achieve greater things together. As followers of Christ, we are called to come alongside one another, supporting and encouraging each other in our journey of faith. May we always remember the words of Jesus in Matthew chapter 11 verse 29. You will find rest for your souls if you take my yoke upon you and learn from me, because I am gentle and humble in heart. May the Lord strengthen our bonds as we journey together, and may we find rest and peace in your presence. Thank you for watching this video. Please press the like button, smash the subscribe button, share, and leave a comment.